Welcome back to Space Quiz. This challenge brings you 50 questions about people, places, and events from the past. Get ready to test your historical knowledge. Remember to subscribe and comment your results below. Who painted The Last Supper? Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, or Raphael? Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci painted The Last Supper in the 15th century. Which civilization built the ziggurats? Sumerians, Egyptians, or Greeks? Sumerians. Ziggurats were massive temple structures in ancient Mesopotamia. In what country is the Taj Mahal located? India, Pakistan, or Nepal? India. The Taj Mahal is a famous mausoleum located in Agra, India. Who developed the first vaccine? Edward Jenner, Louis Pasteur, or Alexander Fleming? Edward Jenner. Jenner created the smallpox vaccine in 1796. Which Greek philosopher taught Alexander the Great? Plato, Socrates, or Aristotle? Aristotle. Aristotle was the personal tutor of Alexander the Great. In which country was the Magna Carta signed? France, England, or Spain? England. The Magna Carta was signed in England in 1215. Who invented the telescope? Galileo, Copernicus, or Kepler? Galileo. Galileo improved the telescope and used it for astronomical observations. What was the name of the first man-made satellite? Sputnik, Voyager, or Pioneer? Sputnik. Sputnik 1 was launched by the Soviet Union in 1957. Which empire was ruled by Ramses II? Greek, Roman, or Egyptian? Egyptian. Ramses II was one of the most powerful pharaohs of ancient Egypt. Who discovered the laws of planetary motion? Kepler, Newton, or Galileo? Kepler. Johannes Kepler described the laws of planetary motion in the early 17th century. Where was Nelson Mandela imprisoned for 27 years? Robben Island, Alcatraz, or Bastille? Robben Island. Robben Island was the prison where Mandela was held. What invention is associated with Thomas Edison? Radio, light bulb, or printing press? Light bulb. Thomas Edison improved and commercialized the electric light bulb. Who led the Soviet Union during the Cuban Missile Crisis? Stalin, Khrushchev, or Brezhnev? Khrushchev. Nikita Khrushchev was the Soviet leader during the Cuban Missile Crisis. What ancient city was famous for its library? Athens, Alexandria, or Rome? Alexandria. The Library of Alexandria was one of the largest and most significant libraries of the ancient world. What landmark did the French gift to the United States? Eiffel Tower, Statue of Liberty, or Arc de Triomphe? Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from France to the U.S. in 1886. What was the capital of the Aztec Empire? Cuzco, Tenochtitlan, or Machu Picchu? Tenochtitlan. Tenochtitlan was the vibrant capital of the Aztec Empire. In which country is the Acropolis located? Greece, Turkey, or Egypt? Greece. The Acropolis is an ancient citadel located in Athens, Greece. Who proposed the theory of relativity? Newton, Einstein, or Galileo? Einstein. Albert Einstein introduced the theory of relativity in 1905. What famous ship carried Charles Darwin on his voyage? Beagle, Endeavour, or Discovery? Beagle. HMS Beagle was the ship where Darwin made observations leading to his theory of evolution. Who was crowned Emperor of the French in 1804? Louis XVI, Napoleon, or Charlemagne? Napoleon. Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself emperor in 1804. What structure was built to honor soldiers in ancient Rome? Arch of Titus, Colosseum, or Pantheon? Arch of Titus. The Arch of Titus commemorates Roman victories, especially in Jerusalem. What explorer conquered the Inca Empire? Hernán Cortés, Francisco Pizarro, or Vasco da Gama? Francisco Pizarro. Pizarro conquered the Inca Empire in the early 16th century. What African country built the city of Timbuktu? Mali, Egypt, or Ghana? Mali. Timbuktu became a major center of trade and learning during the Mali Empire. Who discovered radioactivity? Marie Curie, Albert Einstein, or Niels Bohr? Marie Curie. Marie Curie's pioneering work on radioactivity earned her 2 Nobel Prizes. What civilization is known for building Stonehenge? Celts, Druids, or Neolithic people? Neolithic people. Stonehenge was built during the late Neolithic period. In what year did World War II end? 1945, 1948, or 1950? 1945. 1945. World War II officially ended in 1945 after Germany and Japan surrendered. What river was central to the development of ancient Egypt? Nile, Amazon, or Yangtze? No. The Nile River was vital for Egyptian agriculture and civilization. Who invented the World Wide Web? Bill Gates, Tim Berners-Lee, or Steve Jobs? Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web in 1989. Which Chinese dynasty built most of the Great Wall? Ming, Qing, or Han? Ming. The Ming dynasty expanded and reinforced the Great Wall. What was the main language of the Byzantine Empire? Greek, Latin, or Arabic? Greek. Greek was the official language of the Byzantine Empire. Thanks for watching. Your support means a lot to us here at Space Quiz. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next quiz. Blue Heart. Hey there, and welcome to Space Quiz. Today's